Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making slow cooker creamy ranch chicken. It's got a homemade ranch sauce topped with fresh tomatoes and crispy bacon. It's easy enough for a weekday family dinner and delicious enough to serve special guests. Chicken thighs cook on high for about 2.5 hours in a savory broth, and they come out so tender. Then just add cream cheese and a few fresh herbs to make ranch sauce that's bursting with flavor. It tastes as delicious as it looks. This is the best ranch sauce you'll ever taste. Serve with fresh tomatoes and crispy bacon over noodles, rice, or your favorite salad. If this is your first time at our channel, we show you how to make delicious meals you can proudly share with friends and family. And we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, like this creamy ranch chicken with bacon that'll please all the ranch lovers around your table. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the description box below. I'm using about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and have trimmed them up and added them to the bottom of the slow cooker. Pour a half cup of chicken broth into a measuring cup. Peel and mince 5 cloves of fresh garlic and add to the broth. Did you know we have new videos every week? Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted more easy and delicious recipes. Now roughly mince about a tablespoon of fresh dill. This really makes the ranch taste fresh and vibrant. Add the dill to the broth mixture. Then add a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and stir to combine. Pour the broth mixture over the chicken, cover and cook on high for 2.5 to 3 hours until the chicken is done. Remove the chicken from the slow cooker, then add 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese and whisk to combine. To make a thicker ranch sauce, I'll transfer my sauce into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring to prevent the cream mixture from burning. Then add about a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley and 2 teaspoons of diced scallions to the creamy ranch mixture and stir to combine. Thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. Today I'm serving our creamy ranch chicken over noodles. Top the noodles with the chicken, then spoon the ranch sauce over the top. If you love to entertain and share great tasting meals like this creamy ranch chicken, check out our playlist of dessert recipes and potluck favorites. They're all simple to make, and I guarantee they taste incredible. Add fresh chopped tomatoes and 3 to 4 slices of cooked bacon. And finish with fresh herbs. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you know when we've posted a new recipe. Here's some more great recipes I think you'll like, and I'll see you in the next video.